Yeah.
Hi, I'm from superexhausted.com, and I'm here to tell you more about Pinkie Cooper.
And who is this here?
This is Sprinkles.
And Sprinkles has
A
little
bracelet.
Cool.
A dress. A bow. And she can take her ears out.
You can take her ears out. Oh, and that's how you get the bow off?
Mm-hmm.
So if you have the other dogs, you can interchange ears?
Uh-huh.
And then she also comes with a feeding thing?
Yes.
And a tiara. That's her leash right there, right?
Yeah.
Oh, she's naked. She's naked. All except for her diamonds.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, that's very, very cool. It's very cool. Are you excited to play with Sprinkles, Pinkie Cooper's dog?
Yes.
Yeah, and you know what's really neat is they have the 4 new webisodes that are on the Pinkie Cooper YouTube site, so you can hear more about Pinkie's story and all that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so that's kind of cool. So this is really neat.
Okay, Sprinkles, come on. I'll take you for a walk. Don't wiggle, please. I know you're excited. Come on. You have to have all your accessories in. Sure. So awesome. Well, that's a little hard to put on.
Fun. Go.
This pink Sprinkles. Come on.
Go.
This is Sprinkles with everything on except for this. But I thought maybe I could change it out with this tiara.
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm from superexhausted.com.
And this is?
This is my review of Pinkie Cooper, and I am 8 years old.